This living computer thinks like a human. You're not ready for what it can do. Welcome to the future. Okay, so this might sound like a sci-fi movie, but it's real. Scientists have just launched the world's first biological computer, and it could completely change how we think about AI. This new creation is called the CL1, and it was built by a company out of Australia called Cortical Labs. What makes it so wild is that it's not just another chip, it's made using live brain cells, and it actually learns and adapts like a human brain. Even crazier, it does it faster than regular AI and uses way less energy. Here's how it works. Scientists take human skin or blood cells, turn them into stem cells, and then transform those into brain cells. Yep, real neurons. These are then connected to hardware to create what they call synthetic biological intelligence. Basically, it's AI powered by living brain matter. The CL1 was officially revealed in Barcelona on March 2, 2025, and it's being called one of the biggest leaps in AI technology so far. Unlike your typical AI model that needs tons of data and time to learn, the CL1 can evolve and improve on the fly, just like our own brains. Dr. Han Weng-Chong, the CEO of Cortical Labs, says this is the biggest moment in the company's 6-year journey. And it all started with an experiment where they taught brain cells to play Pong. No joke, neurons were literally trained using electrical signals to hit a digital ball on a screen. But Pong was just the start. The real goal has always been to make this tech accessible to everyone. No complicated hardware setups, no PhD required. With CL1, that dream's finally happening. So what exactly is the CL1 biocomputer? It's a large unit designed to keep brain cells alive and working. It houses everything the neurons need to survive. Think of it like a high-tech life support system for brain matter. And get this, they're launching a platform called Wetware as a service. You can either buy a CL1 unit or access its brain power through the cloud. That means researchers and creators around the world can start using biological computing for their own projects. Dr. Chong believes this could unlock a new wave of breakthroughs, from faster drug discovery to next-gen robotics. The system is designed to be modular and customizable, so people can tailor it for whatever they need. CL1 will hit the market in the second half of 2025, and during early demos in Melbourne, visiting researchers got to see just how far the tech has come since the old dish brain days. So how did we even get here? Back in 2022, Cortical Labs made headlines by creating a self-learning chip powered by 800,000 neurons from humans and mice. It learned to play a video game. Then in 2023, their chief scientific officer, Brett Kagan, said something fascinating. He described this tech as a new kind of life. Not quite human, not quite machine. It's intelligence built with biology, but engineered like a machine. Now fast forward to today, and the CL1 system has gotten a serious upgrade. The old chip was hard to control and didn't let researchers see what the neurons were doing. The new version? Clear, stable, and much more efficient. Here's the setup. The neurons sit on a flat glass and metal surface with 59 electrodes. That setup connects to a control system in real time, giving researchers the power to send signals and see how the neurons react, live. They even built a neural server stack in their lab. Picture a rack with 30 separate CL1 units, each one a mini living brain, all linked up and ready to run. And yes, it's going online soon. Let's talk about price. Each unit will cost around $35,000 at launch, which is a steal compared to similar tech that goes for more than double. But Cortical Labs isn't stopping there. They're already working to bring costs down even more. Power-wise, these units only use 850 to 1,000 watts. That's way less than what most AI systems need. Plus, they're programmable and support real-time learning between the neurons and the software. No extra computer required. And here's what's really cool. Under a microscope, you can actually see the neurons forming new connections. The system evolves and improves just like a tiny brain would. It's already proving valuable for things like disease research and drug testing, offering a possible alternative to animal trials. Kagan gave a tour of their PC2 lab and showed how they grow these brain cells. They start with human blood cells and use one of two methods. One mimics fetal brain development with molecules, and the other tweaks specific genes to guide the cells into becoming neurons. The faster method makes clean, pure cells, but they don't behave quite like a real brain. The slower method creates a more diverse mix, which is more realistic, but trickier to analyze. Why does this matter? Because their ultimate goal is building something they call the minimal viable brain, a small, functional system that thinks and adapts like the real thing. Even with the CL1 already on the market, the team at Cortical Labs is thinking way ahead. They want to unlock the secrets of brain complexity, improve medical research, and push boundaries in computing. And if this is just the beginning, imagine what comes next. Thanks for watching. You're officially part of the future crew.